Welcome everybody to Hades. So I've already played this game a little bit. I know some things about it. I just really think that this is going to be a lot of fun. So I think we're going to do hell. No, I'm kidding. I want to enjoy my experience and not
Few tales
experience
are told
pain.
of Hades, whose very name inspires fear and penitence, reminding us of the inevitable fate which we all share. I, however, mean to tell you such a tale. Listen carefully.
I'm listening. Oh, we're just right into it. Okay, let me grab my controller. Oh. Oh yeah, we did start like this. Okay.
I'm leaving. Try to stop me.
Oh, my face! Stop that. Get wrecked, little bro. Okay, okay, Kind of boring for this first little section. I can't do it. Okay, I need that. I literally need it.
It's got to be her. Then here goes nothing. In the name of Hades, Olympus, I accept this message.
Hail, noble cousin. Now, let's get you from that miserable place. I'll see that all of us upon Olympus do our part, beginning here with me.
Awesome, thank you. I'll take the dash.
I know you can't hear me all the way where you are, goddess, but thank you.
Stab. Stab. Bro, this Job of the Hutt looking mother trucker.
The cries of this one was bound to show up, I guess.
Oh boy.
In the name of Hades, Olympus, I accept this message.
Oh, Ares.
You've got quite the fighting spirit in you there, I have
Look
to
at that
say.
sword.
Most intriguing, and yet no surprise for someone born in hell itself. You come on out of there and tell me all about it. I'm a fellow student of death, you see.
Ugh. I'll do the pain.
I will keep fighting.
Because I keep forgetting that that's... that you can... I forget all my buttons. I'm forgetting everything. We're gonna...
They're armored.
Ow! So, are you all hyped for Hades 2? Like, I'm so gassed, because this game is so much fun. There's a lot of versatility, and just the weapons, the characters are awesome. Let's take one. But I think Hades 2 is going to be a lot of fun if they can improve upon what they did here. Shut up, Zagreus. So I think we're doing okay. We're doing okay. Could have been better. Okay. Oh, this music. Whoa. Okay. So we got a little overzealous. I wonder what happens if you can. Like, the first time you play the game, what happens if you get all the way to the end? That'd be interesting.
I'm home.
We are home. Indeed. Oi.
Welcome to the House of Hades, where... Wait, I know you. Guess that means you died out there, huh? Well, don't be sad, though. Pretty much everybody dies sometime.
You know what? You right.
Some of us more than others.
Back already?
Frick you, Dad.
Stupid boy. I told you nobody gets out of here, whether alive or dead. So how was your wanton ransacking of my domain?
So much fun.
Greetings, Father. My ransacking was a delight, thank you for asking. So I'll just be on my way again.
Be on your way indeed. What do I care? You shall never reach the surface. Go. See for yourself.
Watch me.
You have come home. Do not despair, child. Such setbacks are inevitable and may be overcome.
Like, look at these
with effort
characters
and with
designed,
time.
bro.
You made contact with
Hey,
the goddess
yo.
Athena. She shall be true to her word.
I believe it, Nyx. I'm grateful that you put us into contact. I know you took a considerable risk in reaching out.
The risk is not to me. I expected the Olympians would involve themselves in this eventually. Reveal to them no more than they already know. Are we understood?
Yes, we are.
My room. Wow, he does mention
Very
her
lot to be just beyond.
right away.
Find a way up to Elysium from there, and after that...
Farthest chamber reached is 8.
All right, let's give it another shot.
Yep, yep. Well, let's take the bow. Why not?
Yeah.
What in the...
Nice place you got here, boyo. Name Skelly, how's it going?
I
Enough with the
forgot
small talk
about
already. I'm
Skelly.
here to do a job. So let me have it. Give me everything you got.
Give me everything I got.
I don't remember having you on payroll, mate. Who's your supervisor?
Oh, I'm not about to wrap my sources, pal.
Hey,
Just try
never
and
read
beat
my
it out of me.
sources. Just try to beat it at me.
Again.
Alright, let's not get cooked this time.
Thunder.
Ooh.
Is this really him? Okay. In the name of Hades, Olympus, I accept this message.
Greetings there, young man. Look, your father's always been rather difficult, and he's not so much as called in quite some time. You'll have a better home where you belong, here on Olympus. And to help you on your journey, have my blessing.
Thanks, man. Ooh. Yes, give me.
Lord Uncle Zeus lending his support. Never thought I'd see the day. Or night. Whenever. Good thing I'm not dead.
Yes, it is. Yeah. Don't worry, we'll die frequently, buddy. I'm the Legolas of the Greek Agords.
There's only one heavenly archer I know of. Well, several, really. Anyway, in the name of Hades, Olympus...
Was it Artemis or
accept this
Apollo?
message.
I don't remember.
I heard about you. Look, I'm not like all the others on Olympus. The power of the hunt helps keep me company, so maybe it'll help you too.
Appreciate it. Let's hit yes, please.
Power of the hunt sounds like good company to keep. Let's see
Give
what's in
me
here.
stuff. Let's go see a new guy.
Hey, lads. You kill me, I kill you.
Man, you can stun lock him.
That's
Nice.
what you get. It's on
Awesome.
number 2. It's got to be. Then, in the name of Hades, Olympus, I accept this message.
Ahoy there, little Hades. You recognize your uncle, do you not?
I forgot how goofy
Well,
Poseidon
catching up to
looks.
do, but first things first. You get yourself out of that dour underworld. As for me, I'll see if I can stir things up a bit to cover your advance.
Thanks, bro. Okay. I'll take that. I like
Looks like I
that.
caught a big...
I just realized I get 69. Okay. I'm a child.
I think I hear the river. Charon's shop.
Hi, Karen. Ugh. Oh, I have flashbacks of a certain fight. He's so cool. Tell me Charon's not
Glad
cool.
to see you, Charon, mate. Just minding my own business, taking in the sights, and hey, what's that you got? Some sort of wares for sale? And I'll just have a look around.
So I think this is Meg, right? Yep.
Well, this is awkward.
Oh dear.
Halt, Sagrius. Not one step further.
Oh, different Meg.
Come on, Meg. Haven't
Oh,
we
it
had
is
more
Meg.
than enough of each other by now? Besides, don't you have someplace else to be?
Your father sent me. All in all, I'd rather be on your bad side than his. Now you can turn back, like a good little man, or I can send you home the painful way. What'll it be?
I'll have to go with the painful way.
A man after my own heart.
Man, he kind of talking.
You want a taste of this?
I forget what that is. We're gonna get this now. Okay, maybe. Ow. Bruh.
Requesting immediate assistance.
What do you mean? Bruh. Meg, you need to stop. Where'd you go? Bruh.
Here's my whip.
If I'm hit again, I'm dead.
Not a scratch.
Oh.
You're nothing to me anymore.
Oof.
Ah, cheers for that, Meg.